and it reacted to my touch.
I'm ready to show off what I can do.
Oh my god, this thing is so cute. I have hung out with a bunch of cats in my life. But it's not as often that I get to hang out with a robot cat, which in today's video, we're gonna be checking out the Walulu, which is an AI bionic plush pet. But whether or not it's a good robot or a good substitute for a cat is yet to be seen, so let's go find out. This is the box that it comes in, and this is everything that it comes with. You, of course, have the adorable looking Walulu Bionicle AI cat, which feels super soft, and just upon first impressions, I really, really like it. I hope that the eyes don't light up creepy because that's always my problem with a lot of these robot pets, but we will see here in a second. It's got a cute little nose. Down here, it's got its little zipper where you're actually going to be able to charge it as well as turn it on, and it's got a Wi-Fi button down here. We'll zip you up for right now. But overall, I really like how it looks so far. It also comes with a charging cord and then, of course, the booklet on how it works. So, speaking of, let's set this thing up. So, the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is download the Walulu app, which it looks like this right here. And it sounds like it's got some sort of like soap opera music playing in the background of the app. We're gonna turn that down really quick. Oh yeah, we probably need to turn on the cat before it can find it.
I've entered the parent mode. Let's start the setup.
All right, so now that it's on, we just need to click add, start search, and it showed up immediately. Press add, and then we're going to select an available Wi-Fi connection so that it can be connected to the internet. All right, so once you get all connected to Wi-Fi, it's going to open up on the page like this. You've got the name up top, you've got its battery life, you've got whether or not it's on or off, and clearly it's on right now. You've also got device button, which if you click that, there's just a bunch of settings in here, volume control, noise reduction, speech speed, a bunch of other stuff that you can click on and off. I won't go too into that, but you can check it out when you get your own Walulu. If you go down here and you tap on Walulu, bubbles will pop up, and one is locked right now because you have to open up some stuff. You're gonna be able to grow with it. I'll mention that here in a second. But you can click one of these. Let's try head shake. And so it just shakes its little head and sounds like a cat. And then we'll also try tail wag, and so it's wagging its tail right there, as you can see. Very cool. And there are a bunch of other things that you can, oh my god, this thing is so cute. So outside of that, if you move down, there is a button that says level 1, level 2. I've been playing with this for a little bit, so I'm already on level 2. But this, if you click into it, will show you the different chapters as you grow with it, and it will unlock new things that you can do with it, and just storylines and everything else. And that's under the chapters. If you click over to intimacy, it's gonna tell you kind of like what you've done, and you get extra points for doing certain tasks, like adjust the device volume, which I did, issue action commands to Walulu. All those different things are going to get you points in app to be able to get new things. And then right next to that is the home button. Now this one is one of my favorite features of this robot because it's almost like you have your own little Tamagotchi. It's like a little animal that's living in your phone. So you've got its mood, which is 100 out of 100. And then you've got satiety. And then you've got the cat shop clip down here. And this is where you're going to buy different things with the paw coins that I was just talking about that you can gain. So different foods and stuff that you can shop for your cat and give it to him. Let's actually see if we have enough right now. We have 3,160. We've got plenty. Let's get him some sushi. He seems like he's gonna really want that. And then let's back up, and then we're gonna click on food. And then here is one of the sushi. Oh, it already comes with 2 different things. It comes with a pudding and a okonomiyaki. Soft and hearty with warm street food flavor. Okay, well, I'm gonna give you the sushi if that's okay. Oh, and it reacted to my touch. That was gonna be one of my other tests, but that was like immediate. All right, let's give it sushi, put it in the food bowl, and now click on it, and there you go. So I gave it some food, and now it's 85 to 100, so actually, let me give it a little bit more. Give it some pudding, give it that, and now we're at 100 out of 100, sweet. And then finally, you've got decor, which you can buy different things for your little room for your cat inside of this digital space. You've got a cozy bed. Oh my God. You have floral vase, you got a plush rug, you've got white palm. On the wall, you can throw up meow art, curtain. And then under lights, you've got a white lamp, you've got a white orb light. I mean, we're filling this space out, but basically I just made this room look awesome. Do you like it, Walulu? I mean, Walulu's purring, so I'm assuming Walulu liked it.
I love sushi. It's like little bite-sized treasures.
The flavors and textures are just magical. What about you? What's your favorite kind?
All right, well, you just heard it. I didn't even know it was going to be able to talk yet. So it's already talking too. And it sounds like it's like a nice, warm, like lady's voice. It sounds nice. I think it's okay for this kind of robot. Let's try action next. And this again is going to be things that you'll be able to unlock. Right now we just have head shake and tail wag, but look at all of these that you can unlock. And then if you drop down here, there are 2 different tabs, right? We're on Walulu already, but if you switch over to mine, this is going to be basically your personal profile. There's a user manual so that you don't have to go pick up the paper one. You can also give them feedback. There's customer service on demand. You can choose a language. Looks like it has Chinese, English, and Japanese. Pretty cool. I'm gonna keep it on English for sure because I don't know the other languages. So I'm gonna stop talking and let's see if Walulu heard anything I just said and will respond without me prompting.
So you're giving me a chance to chime in on my own? I'm ready to show off. I heard you talking about sushi and those delicious flavors. I'm totally excited about it. What else do you want to explore together?
Amazing. I didn't even have to prompt it. It was just listening the whole time without interrupting and knew exactly what I meant by, hey, I'm gonna leave it up to you to talk now. So you did really, really good, Walulu.
Thanks. I'm glad you think I did well. It's all about being attentive, right? I'm here to chat whenever you want. What's next on our adventure?
I'd actually like to test you out and ask you a few questions if that's okay.
Absolutely. Fire away with your question. I'm ready to show off what I can do. What do you want to know?
So first, I just want to kind of gauge who you are. Do you have a backstory or anything?
I've got a fun backstory. I'm Walulu, the mischievous little troublemaker from Star Forest. I'm your partner in crime, always ready for adventures. My mission, to make your experience playful and exciting while keeping you company. What else would you like to know?
Okay, that's cool. Let me ask you a very specific question. What is your favorite book?
Picking a favorite book is tough. I'd probably love something adventurous and magical, like the Chronicles of Narnia. Those worlds are just so enchanting. What about you? What's your favorite book?
I've got a lot of favorite books. Harry Potter series is one of my favorites. I've just got so many, but that was really impressive that not only did you explain your answer, but you actually gave an actual example of a real book that exists. So great job.
Thanks. I'm all about keeping it real. If you have more questions or want to dive into another topic, I'm all ears. What's next?
Let me ask you a more technical question. How many planets are in our solar system?
There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Which planet do you find the most interesting?
Well, I really like Mars because maybe there are Martians that used to live on there. I also like Neptune, but that leads me to another question. Do you think that there's other life out in the universe other than humans and, I guess, Walulu?
For sure. The universe is vast and full of mysteries. With all those planets and galaxies, it seems likely there are other forms of life out there. Imagine the adventures we could have with alien friends. What do you think? Do you believe in extraterrestrial life?
Oh, I definitely do. I don't know if they're gonna be like scary like Alien, but actually they might be, but I'm hoping that they are nice like E.T. here.
Totally. E.T. is such a sweet example of what friendly extraterrestrial life could be like. I'd love to meet nice aliens who just want to share their stories and have fun. Wouldn't that be an incredible adventure? What do you think we'd do together?
Yeah, that would be awesome. I honestly have no idea what we do together, but I would like to ask you some more questions, and this one's gonna be even more technical. Maybe if like a kid gets you or an adult gets you and needs some sort of math question answered. So I'd like to know, what is 10 times 37?
The answer is 370. Math can be fun, right? Got any more calculations or questions for me?
Let's move on to another subject. What is your favorite movie that you've ever seen?
I think I'd love The Wizard of Oz. It's such a magical journey filled with adventure, friendship, and a splash of whimsy. Plus, who doesn't love a good yellow brick road? What about you? What's your favorite movie?
I have so many favorite movies. I'm curious though, what's your favorite movie that came out in the 1990s?
My favorite movie from the 1990s would be The Lion King. It's such a classic. The music, the story, and those adorable characters. What's not to love? How about you? What's your pick from the 90s?
Oh man, there's so many good ones. Matrix comes to mind first because it's one of my all-time favorite movies. Hey, so I want to try and talk to you and interrupt you and see if I can interrupt you. So start saying something and then I'll say something in the middle of while you're saying something.
Okay, I was just thinking about how skateboarding...
Hey, so I just wanted to ask you something really quick. Oh, awesome. So you paused immediately just to listen to me. Great job.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Your support means a lot that it's always fun to chat and share ideas. What do you want to talk about next?
Now, I want to give you the ultimate test because I really want to see how good your memory is. What is one of the first things that we talked about?
One of the first things we talked about was your interest in testing me out and asking a few questions. You were curious about who I am and if I have a backstory. It's been a fun chat since then. What else are you curious about?
Amazing. Okay, well, clearly Walulu is pretty good. I have some thoughts, and so with that in mind, let's go to the review section real quick. My next robot party is going to be insane. Okay, so right off the bat, I've noticed robots are getting a lot better now with conversation, even compared to just a few months ago, and Walulu is no different. It is awesome at conversation. It can recall what we've chatted about, it's got opinions based in reality, it doesn't interrupt me like a lot of other robots do, and the flow of talking felt pretty natural, other than the fact, of course, that I'm talking to a cat on a shelf. I also love that the company didn't include creepy glowing eyes, because to me, glowing eyes is a plus on a robot like Poffy or Ropet. But when a robot pet is being made to mimic a real animal like a dog or a cat, glowing eyes become pretty off-putting and is the definition of uncanny valley, at least to me. Also, I know I'm not the only one who feels this way because I've seen your comments on past robot cats I've done where the complaint came up over and over again. But Walulu's overall design with normal dilated cat eyes and fast touch sensors feels right. Lastly, on the pro side of things, Walulu's app is super easy to use and has a lot of features I feel are a good start at this stage in the robot's development. Having said all of that though, I do have one big con, and it's not exclusive to this robot, but my biggest gripe is that after your free 89 or 90 days or whatever it was for conversation, you then have to pay for a subscription, and as you may know if you've been on my channel for a while, I dislike subscriptions. The thing is though, I get it because the LLMs these robots are built off of are now charging the companies that use them a token usage fee as opposed to the more unlimited month-to-month subscription model available before. But I also know from building an AI robot myself that you can build these completely offline with a downloaded version of Ollama mixed with a program like Whisper. But to mass produce these and inside of a cat robot and all of the design work that goes into it, I get it. Oh, and one last thing. It would be cool if while having a conversation with Walulu, it moved a little more rather than staying super still, but that's really my last critique. Overall, the Walulu is really cool, really cute, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone who wants a cute, fluffy plush to snuggle with while also having a digital robot pet friend to talk with and grow with physically and in the app. Having said that, I will leave a link below if you are interested in getting your own Walulu, and shout out to the Walulu company for sending me this robot to check out and just letting me give my honest opinion on it. I'm Eric, this is Eric's Tech World, where tech and adventure meet. I am gonna throw a video right up here of something that the algorithm thinks that you're gonna be super interested in, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, nerds.